Okay, let's do this. So I've already logged in. Make sure that you are on the home page. Go to your search box and type in YouTube, and we're looking for YouTube thumbnails. So here it is. Click on that. And that is going to bring up all of these beautiful, beautiful templates. We're going to choose something very easy. I think I want this one right here. Very simple. So as you can see, what comes up, we have our text. We have this other text here. We have this little picture here that we can move, and this pizza guy. And we have the color, the background color here that we can change. Okay, and move around. Now we're going to delete this pizza guy here. Click on him and click on your trash box. Click delete group, not delete element, but delete the whole group. And then we're going to delete this text here. Click on that. Select your trash. And then we're going to double click on this text here and change it to Renee's funny talk show. Yeah, I think I'll do that. Then we're going to click outside the box and then click back on this text and move it down a little bit. And then after this, we are going to change the color of our background. So let's play around with some colors here. I think I'll stick with the red. Yeah, stick with the red. Okay, and then I'm going to change the picture. So I'm going to go to uploads and I'm going to do it as if I don't already have the picture here. So I'm going to click on upload media. And I'm just going to look for the photo that I want. It's one of me laughing. Let me scroll down and I think I found it right over here. Then click open. So now it is going to upload. Don't forget to subscribe and like the channel. We are going to drag our photo over here and then we're going to double click and we're going to move it over a little bit to the left. That looks good. Okay, now we are going to add some pictures, some elements. So click on elements. Then in our search box, we're going to look for speak. Okay, so type in speak and we're looking for anything that looks like it's speaking or talking. Scroll down here. I like this one here. And I see that we can change the color also. So we're going to move this over a little bit and then we're going to go up to our color. I think I want white. So let's click on white. That looks good. I like that. Then we're going to go back to elements and we're going to type in laughing because I want to put a little picture of, a cartoon or something laughing. So let's scroll down. There's some funny ones here. I think I like this girl here with the ha-has. So I think I'm going to put that up here. We'll move that around. Yeah, that looks funny. And I think I'll click on this other one with the laughing face crying and we'll make that a little bit smaller by dragging it from the corner and pushing it in. We're holding down the mouse. I think that looks cute. I might delete one of them, but that looks cute. I think I like that so far. And this is how you make a simple tutorial. I'm going to show you how to download. I think I might put that back, but let's see. So, I think I might delete that haha girl. So you download and then you go to file type, press PNG. I like to use that one because it's high quality, right? So then you click download, but I think before that, I'm going to go back and select the crying person. That's the person that's laughing. I'm going to delete the haha girl. Click, go to your trash. And then I'm just going to move it up a bit into that same space. That looks cool. I kind of like how that looks. Yeah. So then I am going to actually go to download because we have this together already. Yeah, that looks good. And then I have PNG selected. Then I'm going to click download, and you see it's downloading right here at the bottom. Double click on our downloaded photo, and then as you can see here, you have it, our YouTube thumbnail. Simple and easy, 5 minutes. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe.